So this is our dry cleaning machine, and it uses perchlorethylene. And the reason why they call it dry cleaning is because there's no water involved. You still get the mechanical action of having a liquid go through your fabrics to remove the stain. And you still get the tumbling action and stuff like a washing machine, but you're not using water. It's all solvent. On these machines, they are a dry-to-dry cycle. The clothes go in dry and they come out dry. The machine is all self-contained, and what it does is it will extract the solvent out of here, and then the drying process will heat the clothes up to 175 degrees, which turns the solvent into a gaseous form, and then it will go through a refrigeration unit and turn it back into a liquid. But before the clothes come out of the drum, they will cool down to a nice 80 degrees slowly, so you do not wrinkle your clothes or anything. And it helps keep the wrinkles out of it like that. Well, you heat it up to turn the solvent into a gaseous form. That way it goes through our refrigeration unit and our condenser and turns it back into a liquid by cooling down rapidly. It's cleans as a liquid. It goes in there as a liquid. It extracts as much liquid as possible, but then it will heat up to 175 degrees, which turns the perchlorethylene into a gaseous form. And then it goes to the refrigeration unit, turns it back into a liquid, which will then go into one of our holding tanks to be reused later.